In this video, I will show you how to add reviews to the Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account and locate the Apps section. Within the Apps section, click on All Recommended Apps. Once you are in the Recommended Apps, click on Shopify App Store to access the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for product reviews. Choose the product review app from the search results. After installing the app, you will be able to see all the existing reviews for your products. Click on Install to add the product review app to your Shopify store. Confirm the installation by clicking Install again. Once the app is installed, navigate to the point of sale settings. Go to the theme section and click on Customize if the theme you want to add reviews to. Within the customization options, find and click on Catalog. Choose the product for which you want to add reviews. For example, select a basic product like a t-shirt. Click on Add Block to insert a new element into the product page. Select Review Form from the options available for adding blocks. Once the review form appears, configure it according to your preferences. You can set up customer review ratings, enable customers to be the first to review, and write a review. Make sure to save any changes you have made to the product page. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Shopify. If this video was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.